Gondor fully automatic Mung bean cake making machine. Series products. Simple operation. Pressure and molding time can be adjusted. Fill the material into the mold evenly. Precise filling and stable molding. Adjustable pressure and degree of compaction. Adopt non-stick mold technology. The mold can be customized. Fully automatic material conveying. Uniform briquetting and stable quality. High efficiency and large output. Easy cleaning and maintenance. High forming rate and low loss. Suitable for a variety of materials. Finished product display. Wide range of applications. Factory panoramic view. Workshop. Exhibition hall 5,000 square meters. Packaging shipping.